For the first 2 weeks, my plan is to like keep picking up gym stuff, and then the last 2 weeks of the month, I'll probably still pick stuff up. I can't help myself. Welcome to Sports Month. It is May, and May means we are collecting sports and fitness equipment. I got the multi-gym system in. The only thing was like we didn't want to crack the back windshield. My brother's stuff's gonna arrive, so I have to be ready in the next 40 minutes. So I reckon I can do it. I usually overestimate my ability. Cleaned up most of the hyper-extension multi-gym. No instructions, I have no idea what it even looks like. But somebody is selling something similar on the Facebook. So it looks something like this. Punching bag, I don't know if I'm going to sell that. I wish I had checked before I bought it. The side straps keep breaking. It's kind of a useless bag. It's a sports rack, but I'm making it into a basketball rack. Cleaned up the Wilson bag. I'm going to try and sell this one for 45. Those plants are so stuck in the soil. I can't get them out. So I measured from here to here, from there to there. Tent number 2 can sit there. Bike storage tent designed to take on holiday, not to keep up permanently. It says on the website it can last 2 months outside. I'm going to try and make it last 2 years. So yesterday I blew up my Bissell. My sister-in-law, come to help. The next day, I worked till 8 PM last night. Physically, my muscles couldn't lift anything else. So I just need to clear all this now. Someone's coming for that, and then I need to clean the floor. And we also got someone coming for basketball ring, so I gotta get that out. I sort of discovered that it's missing a bolt. Didn't expect anyone would want this so soon. This is one I picked up the other day. Steal a bolt from that one and fix this one later. After all that, it doesn't fit. Nothing's working. I'm borrowing bolt from Dunk Master. I have to remember to put it back. Where's the bolt? Finally found a bolt. Went through 3 different bolts, found a bolt, the bolt fits, and now I can't find the nut to fit the bolt, which is weird. It should have one. Why doesn't this one have a bolt? Somebody wants this thing, so I have to get it out. The little orange bike went to somebody who needed a very cheap knee therapy. I actually made them sit on it and made them try it, and I said, you know, if you don't want it, please don't take it, because you have a sore knee. Let's not make it worse. Basically tried to talk her out of it. Anyway, she said you can't complain for 20 bucks, and I was like, whoa. But they just messaged and said they're on their way, so about 20 minutes. Basically everything I'm refurbishing is now outside. Well, I've done a lot in 9 days. The paint booth went up last night. This is the part of the journey where you knew not to do this, you did your best not to do this, you intended not to do this, and you did your best not to do this, and you thought you were not doing this. This time we're going to try extraction.